Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to reset game data on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two ways to do this. So the first way is to open your settings, click on your iCloud ID, and click on iCloud. Now, click on Manage Storage. So just go ahead and click on the game that you want to reset the data. So now you want to click on Delete Data. So this will delete all data for this app stored on this iPhone and in iCloud. So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on Delete. So for example, this way doesn't work for you. What you can do is to open the application, so in this way or steps, it really depends on the application that you are using. Okay, so now click on the settings button. Just gonna click on support, and I can just go ahead and click on delete account. Okay, so just go ahead and click on delete account if you want that. So as you can see, all of your game data will be deleted. So now there's this last way. Okay, so I'm sorry, there are three ways to do this. So the last option that you have is to delete the game that you have. So to do that, just go ahead and long press on that game and click on remove app. Click on delete app. Click on delete. Okay, and that is how you reset data on any games that you have on your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.